Hi, welcome to SW Box. I'm Neil and today I'm looking at two charging cables for the iPhone 5 and the iPod Touch 5. There's a white one and a black one. The white one has a light blue LED running through it and the black one has a darker blue running through it. Now, basically, depending on how much battery charge you have in the phone will depend on the speed of the travel of the LED. Okay, so basically if you're under 50%, will run slow, and if you're above 50% it will run faster, so you can roughly guess somewhere where you are. When it's plugged in but not plugged into your phone, it will just stay a constant no movement line, and it will also stop running once it's at 100%, so you know that your phone's charged in the night basically. Okay, so we'll have a look at the white one first. We'll have a look at them both, so don't worry, I'll plug them both in. So we can turn out the light. As you can see, it's not plugged in, so it's not travelling. As soon as I plug it in, it starts travelling at quite a speed because I've got 60% plus, so it's going to run a lot faster. Okay, so we'll turn on the light again. Have a look at the black one this time. Okay. As you can see, it's running really fast again, and if I unplug it, it stops completely. So there you have it. Okay, so we can turn on the lights again. Now, these are retailing at $11.69, so it's a really reasonable price, and that does include free shipping. And I will put the links to these products underneath the video in the description, so just scroll down under the video and you'll find a link to these products and to our website. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.